Yeah, Memorial Weekend, May 30th, 2021, Lake Burton Boat Parade. Classic boat, antique boat parade. Here we go. They're still coming all the way up through there. Hey, Marcia.
Hey.
Hey, y'all. Jimmy and Sharon. Time to take pictures, Jimmy. Got a little rocking action on the boat here. This is La Prad's Marina here on Lake Burton. Cool mountain days, about 72 degrees.
V8 302. I bet he could blow it on.
These boats look like they're mostly Chris craft. They're gonna dock up there on the Gist dock. Use those boat slips, and then they'll let people walk around and look at them. They'll show their engines and their interiors, and the owners will be around. So, great place. Here's the old Chris Craft from Rabin Boathouse, number 7. I remember when I was a kid, I rode number 2. And they had a number 2 on it, Rabin Boathouse, and it's an old Chris Craft. Beautiful boats.
I do too, Marsh. I just saw that coming up. The canopy on that one.
Oh yeah, look at this. It's got a little bimini top on it. I saw Alan Jackson up here one year. He's got a fully restored Chris Craft named Miss Nashville. And that looks like them. Some pontoons and so forth bringing up the rear. Happy Memorial Day. Alright folks, that was a nice little parade. Beautiful boats. We'll come back later and see if we can get some snapshots. Over and out.